Papua New Guinea's historic journey to join the National Rugby League in 2028 has taken another exciting step forward, and the buzz is growing right across the country. PNG NRL franchise CEO Andrew Hill has officially launched a nationwide competition to name the country's first ever NRL team, a move he says is about far more than just choosing words on a jersey.
So we're trying to work towards the end of the month with the initial top 5 names. So we're actually asking people just to come up with any name. We're not giving them a criteria other than it needs to resemble something to do with PNG. Obviously PNG in Australia would be wonderful, but we'll take the top 5 names forward to the board. We'll then work with the NRL and then we'll come back and we will hopefully within a September time frame have an opportunity to go back to the public and ultimately come up with the name.
Hill describes it as a chance for every Papua New Guinean to take ownership of a team that will carry the nation's pride onto one of the biggest sporting stages in the world. We want a name that reflects our culture, our pride, and our fighting spirit. This is the people's team, and the people's choice, he said during the launch. The competition opened this week and is open to everyone, from the busy streets of Port Moresby to the remote villages scattered across our islands. Whether you're a rugby league diehard, a cultural storyteller, or just someone with a great idea, you can submit your suggestion online. The winning name will go down in history as the official identity of Papua New Guinea's first NRL team when they run onto the field in the 2028 season. Hill says this is a moment for unity, a chance to rally the entire country behind a single identity that will be worn proudly by players and fans alike. This naming competition comes as part of a broader preparation plan that has been carefully unfolding behind the scenes. While the public might be eager to see the football side of things take shape, Hill has stressed that the focus right now is on laying strong foundations. That means building world-class facilities, establishing player pathways, and creating a professional structure that will allow the team to compete at the highest level from day one. He says rushing the process could risk the long-term success of the project, so every step is being taken with precision and planning. Earlier this year, Hill expressed his excitement at the progress being made in player development during the national championship at the Santos National Football Stadium. The event saw young athletes, some as young as 15, compete live for the first time after 20 weeks of rigorous training. The matches were even broadcast live on television, marking a major milestone for grassroots rugby league in PNG. Hill described it as an inspiring day, saying, "We built on last year, and we're taking it one step at a time. The exposure and competitive environment are expected to prepare the next generation of stars who could one day represent the PNG NRL team on the world stage." Backing this ambitious project is a massive $600 million investment from the Australian government. This funding is not just for rugby league. It's part of a broader partnership aimed at driving community development, improving facilities, and creating economic opportunities across the country. The PNG NRL team is expected to become a national symbol, inspiring young people, boosting tourism, and strengthening ties between Papua New Guinea and Australia. Hill says the investment sends a powerful message that the world believes in PNG's ability to compete and thrive in elite sport. As the countdown to 2028 continues, the naming competition stands as the first big chance for everyday Papua New Guineans to have their voices heard in shaping the team's identity. It's a unique opportunity to contribute to a legacy that will outlast generations. Hill says that when the team finally runs out for their first game, it won't just be the players on the field. It will be every fan, every village, and every person who took part in this journey standing proudly alongside them. The road ahead will be challenging, but the excitement is undeniable. Papua New Guinea is ready to show the NRL and the world that when our people unite behind a shared dream, there's nothing we can't achieve.